What's up everybody? It's Stacy Storino from Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, and in this video I'm gonna show you what our multiple award-winning ice cream stand goes through to create our hot-selling Santa cake. So make sure you hit that like button if you're excited, and make sure you subscribe to get a helping of our delicious videos every single week. Plus, make sure that you watch until the end so that you can learn how to save big at Joe's and get the inside scoop on some of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry too. Now, if you've always wanted to know how one of the most successful ice cream stands in the United States, like Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, creates the hottest selling Santa cake that Dutchess County, New York has ever seen, well, you've come to the right place. But before I dive in, if you're looking for all of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry, as either a consumer or a business, even if you're never going to come by to visit Joe's in person, you definitely want to sign up for our Sunday Inside Scoop. Plus, if you are going to see us, you'll want to pick up your instant coupon too. Good for your next visit. You can register for both simultaneously by clicking on the link below this video. The Santa cake is part of the suite of cakes that have worked to make us a local legend at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill. Whether they're made out of our multiple award-winning soft serve or any of our nearly 40 flavors of hard ice cream. And do you know why we can make our Santa cake so magical that people line up around the block for it and other cakes like it? We've been featured in places like the Wall Street Journal and ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox News, and more. Bottom line, we know what we're doing, so let's take you to it. Step 1, fresh foundation. I said we're a multiple award-winning ice cream stand, so that's where the fresh foundation starts. Meaning we've got soft serve that has the highest butterfat content around, which makes a huge difference. I promise you're not tasting something that's like water with a hint of vanilla or chocolate in it. We spread that precious product out in a frozen mold of your choice, and we have many more choices than just round or one size of round mold. You tell us what you want, we'll make it up. There's no limit to what your Santa cake, or really any type of cake, can look like. Step 2, mouth-watering middle. Yeah, sure, ice cream cake. Chocolate cake crunch goes in the middle, right? Granted, it is one of the most common and popular choices, but it's not the only option available to you. Not at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, anyway. There may be an upcharge for certain cake middles, or things such as chocolate or vanilla pudding, or cannoli cream. But the bottom line is that, more or less, your only limit at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill would be your imagination. Step 3, luscious layering. Most commonly after the middle is installed in the Santa cake, we will then place another layer of soft serve on top. But you could also have baked cake too, for an upcharge, or you could have hard ice cream on top and bottom. And why not? We only have nearly 40 flavors of hard ice cream. Baked cake and hard ice cream would involve an upcharge for sure, since that's a lot of baking and or scooping of hard ice cream. Step 4, delicious decorating. We here at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill are blessed to have a designer dessert department that, amongst other things, will decorate your cake for you. And that includes the Santa cake. This particular type of cake does require a lot more detailing than people realize. Keep in mind, you can have the cake decked out in luster dust, edible glitter. You can have messages written on it. You're really only limited by your imagination. We love doing work like this for our beloved JDB family. We love saving you time, providing you with over-the-top food and desserts and cakes for over-the-top memories with the ones you love, not just during the holidays, but all year long. If you're hard at work, when you come home, you don't have to work hard. You just have to hit us up so that we can make a Santa cake just for you or the ones you love. Now you know the steps we here at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill have to take when creating a Santa cake. And there were probably way more possibilities than you would have thought, right? But do you have a way to save big once you come to visit us? no problem. I've got a cool discount for you, and you'll also get the inside scoop on some of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry. Click the link in the description below to get your savings, sneak peeks into the ice cream world, and more right now. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, over-the-top food for over-the-top memories. Come by and make some of your best over-the-top memories with us.